Start your day with some daredevil news from the West Atlantic Air Force. Let's just say, what if we tested our top pilots with a fully loaded Airbus A400, including the new rolling bombs that is installed in the cargo bay, which during tests definitely packed a punch. We will now
Warning: at the government's request, the Oakville Armed Forces has issued a nationwide emergency. This is not a test. The alert may indicate potential danger in your area. Around 4 hours ago, border guards have shot and killed Canadian guards. This has led to an almost instantaneous retaliation from the Canadian government. The following areas are at high risk of combat, especially those within 50 miles of the border: Dale River, Marsh Bridge, Hamilton, and Route 720. If you are in the areas listed, you are advised to evacuate or take shelter immediately. This is an automated message from the Oakville Emergency Management Department.
This is a national emergency sent to you by the Oakville Emergency Management Department. The Canadian Army and the Royal Canadian Air Force have begun pushing through the borders from the southeast. It is officially too late to evacuate or take shelter if you are closer than 10 miles from the border. Law enforcement and the Democratic Guard, along with the armed forces, have been stationed in areas near Dawson and Jackson, rallied to defend the situated zone against their attacks. It is advised you do not panic and place your trust in the Army that will defend us and carry our nation to victory. While you still can pack any important necessities, such as your phone, charger, cash, toiletries, food, and bottled water. Bring non-perishable items. You must evacuate now. Do not wait. Do not stall. Evacuate your area immediately. Be advised that highways and cities are the biggest targets for the Canadian Army. Avoid heading to those areas or artillery shells are fired and you could be in the middle of the crossfire. This is an automated message from the Oakville Emergency Management Department.
Warning, this is not a test. As of this broadcast on June 30th, 2026, the Oakville Democratic government has fallen and is no longer operational. You must be aware that Canadian troops have enforced a shoot-on-sight protocol. If you are outside while troops are nearby, you will be mistaken as an Oakville soldier and will be killed. From this day on, you will be responsible for your safety and survival. Stay alive. Stay hidden. Stay focused. This is the final automated broadcast from the Emergency Management Department.